Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how you can easily create Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the end. Of course, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. First of all, open your Facebook app. Click on create account and then get started. Then in this section, give your first name and your last name. I will give Farhad for my first name and Ahmad for my last name. Then click on next button. After that, it will ask you about your birthday. Set year, day, and month. Then click on set. After that, click on next. Then select your gender. You can select between female, male, and more options. Then click on the next button. In this section, you can give your mobile number or you can sign up with your email. I prefer sign up with email, so I click on sign up with email option. Here you can enter your email. If you haven't seen my previous video on how to create an email or Google account, you can get the link in the description. So give your email here and then click on next. After that, give a strong password so that you don't forget it in the future. Then click on next. Here is some kind of information. It belongs to you. You want to read or not, so then click on I agree button. After that, Facebook will send you confirmation code. You can find your confirmation code in Gmail app. So go there and copy your confirmation code and paste it here. Then click on next button. As you can see, I have created a new account. You can go all of these steps like add your profile picture, but I can just skip it. Here is a message from Facebook. Welcome to Facebook, Farhad Ahmad. This was today's video. Now you can write down in the comment below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Click the like button if you like that video and see you in the next one.